Experiencing data issues with your SafeLink Wireless service? You're not alone. Many users, especially on older Android devices, encounter problems due to outdated APN settings, network compatibility issues, or even temporary glitches during carrier switches. The most common reasons for data outages are incorrect APN settings, issues with 5G LTE connectivity, and general network misconfigurations. Don't worry, here are a few quick fixes to try right away. Your APN, or access point name, is the gateway connecting your phone to the internet. The correct APN depends on the underlying carrier for SafeLink. Verizon uses fast.tmobile.com, AT&T uses phone or wap.singular, and T-Mobile uses fast.tmobile.com. To configure it, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names, and enter the correct APN for your carrier. Sometimes, switching between 5G and LTE can force your phone to reset its connection. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs, Preferred Network Type, and switch to the other network type. This is your last resort. It clears all network settings, reverting to defaults. Find it under Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Network Settings. Remember to note down Wi-Fi passwords before using. By following these steps, most data connectivity issues can be resolved. If problems persist, contact SafeLink support.